Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share 5 ways you can make money online, whether you want to build an online business or you just want to have a side hustle or you want to become a digital nomad. These are ways that you can create a stream of income from your laptop. If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know where you are in the world. Today I'm in Puerto Rico where I'm staying for the month while I prepare for my course launch on how to become a digital nomad. That course will have this information and so much more. The waitlist is open if you want 50% off. You can sign up at the link below. But without further ado, let's get into 5 ways you can make money online. Make sure you watch until the end of the video because I'm sharing some crucial tips on how you can be successful in all of these industries. The first way you can make money online is being a freelance copywriter or writer. You can do this by writing for different online publications. There are so many. I'm in the travel space. I create a lot of content on travel, and I was just at a summit for women in travel, and so many of these people are making 10K, 20K, 50K a month just from their blogs or writing for different publications, because this is where people go to get their information. You can saturate these blogs or your written pieces with affiliate links, which can also make you money. So writing is something that you can do from anywhere. You do have to build up your portfolio and make the right connections. But once you build up some clients, you can really make a stable income from this. The second is social media. That is kind of what I work on mostly. You can be a content creator, you can be an influencer, of course, we know that. But what people don't understand is that this industry is huge and it's growing extremely fast and there's a lot of money in it. You can create UGC, user-generated content, for different companies where they will run ads on it. So it's like you're making a TikTok, except it is an ad. Many companies have people in-house doing this or they contract the work out. I do a lot of UGC content creation. I love it because I don't have to post it on my profile, but I'm still able to earn money from doing something that I know how to do, which is making TikToks and videos and just content. Another part of social media is social media management. You can manage other companies' Instagrams, TikToks, YouTubes, whatever it is. You just have to learn how the platforms work and kind of schedule out content, maybe brainstorm ideas and things like that. But you can do it from anywhere. It's actually quite fun. I've done it before and I actually have some clients that I still work with, and I do social media consulting. So there's so many things you can do under the umbrella of social media. I want to add that I have a free downloadable guide linked below that has 10 ways you can make money online. So in this video, I'm sharing 5 that has 5 more and a lot more information. So make sure you go check that out. Number 3 is teaching English online. When I graduated university, I moved to Spain to teach English. I have a whole playlist on it, but you can also teach English online. There's VIP Kid, Go Kid, where you teach English to children in China, and you can make around $20 an hour teaching English online, sometimes probably more. There's a lot more websites that you can go to do this. You can teach to adults, you can teach to people in different areas of the world, so that way the time zone is a little bit better. But I will leave a link to a blog post down below that has more information on this, and of course the guide also has information on this as well. Number 4 is being a digital marketing consultant. So like I said, content creation is used to run ads. People who run the ads are digital marketers. So if you understand Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, all these different platforms that run ads, it is seriously a science. It is quite complicated and it's honestly an art, but there's a lot of money in this because if you think about all these really huge companies, they are running ads. And I did one collaboration where I created a piece of UGC content, and when I went to check on that video on the page, it had 50 million views. To get a video to reach 50 million views, they pumped it with money. I'm not sure exactly how much money, but it's probably hundreds and thousands of dollars. These companies have huge budgets. So seriously, if you know how data works and Google Trends and all of these different things that are quite hard to grasp for me, but if your brain works like that and you're very logical, this could be a really good place for you to get into. And number 5 is e-commerce. E-commerce is, again, a huge umbrella. There's so much that goes under it. If you think about all these brick and mortar shops that exist, where you go in and you buy things, that is happening online. We're buying from Amazon, we're buying from Shopify, we're buying from all these different people. You can have your own storefront on a Shopify or another platform similar to that, or you can sell through a big department store, which is like Amazon, or Etsy is another really good place to sell which is like a marketplace. So it's like you have your little stand. One of my friends makes amazing content on this and tutorials. Her name is Money with Mac. She's here on YouTube and also on TikTok and Instagram. Definitely check out her content if you are interested in this. She has a lot of courses too, but there is so much potential in this space. Of course, it is more saturated than it was 10 years ago, but the thing is it's growing. So try different things out. But I also want to add some tips to be successful in this space, because it's really important that you have a strategy and that you don't give up, because yes, you can make money online. There's so much potential and there's so much out there and abundance. However, it may not come as fast as you want it to, and it's easy to get shiny object syndrome when we're looking at TikToks and Instagram posts where people are like, this is how I made $10,000 in a day or $100,000 this month. And you're like, why am I not making that much? But it's all about consistency and having a proper strategy, and know that you could get there, but it's gonna take time. It's really important to also build your personal brand and your online presence if you want to get into any of these things, because at the end of the day, you are marketing yourself. And if you don't know how to sell yourself or create that presence to attract clients or to get those jobs and also build up your knowledge in the space, you probably won't be successful. And I know personal brand kind of has a bad rep these days because of all the social media talk around it. It's so much more than just selling yourself and trying to be an influencer. I think LinkedIn is a really powerful platform to build a personal brand, and you don't have to share your personal private things. You can create a personal brand only around your business and really keep those boundaries up, so that way you're not oversharing and you don't feel overexposed and like everyone on the internet knows you and they can only know your business side. But it's important to build that presence for yourself, so that way you can have that stability and know that you are growing with your business. And if you lose clients, you'll be able to get more as well. And going off of that, client testimonials are crucial. If you work with someone, ask them for a testimonial. Video testimonials are even better if they will do that for you. But start creating this portfolio, not only of your testimonials, but also what I said about personal brand, because all this is your resume these days. Your Instagram, your social media, your LinkedIn profile, that is where people go to see your rapport, and building that rapport takes time and energy. So make sure you are keeping everything documented and you are putting your best foot forward on the internet. I hope you found these all extremely helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you download the guide for more tips on different ways you can make money online, and there's a lot more information about these things as well. I have my course coming out on how to become a digital nomad, which shares how you can do all of this but also travel at the same time and free up your time, so you have the freedom and flexibility of traveling, enjoying yourself, and living a really balanced lifestyle. But connect with me on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't already. I'm super active there. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.